How to install a timer on a sprinkler system. Installing a timer on a home sprinkler system is not nearly as daunting of a task as it may seem, especially if you are replacing your old timer, which is most likely the case. You may remove an old timer yourself and install the new timer into your sprinkler system. This can make sure that your lawn gets the correct amount of water at the right time, which makes the lawn and garden watering process more convenient. Things you will need: new timer, tape. Turn off both the power and water supplies that run to your home sprinkler system. Turn the electricity off right at your switch box, and simply turn the water off at the sprinkler source. Locate your old, broken timer. Get your masking tape and begin to unplug the wires that connect the timer to the actual sprinkler system. As you remove a wire, make sure that you clearly label, either with tape or another method if you prefer, where the wire connected to the sprinkler system. This will make installing your new sprinkler system timer significantly easier. Connect your new sprinkler timer by following the marked wires so you can make sure that everything is reconnected just as before. If you have labeled your wires correctly, this should be an easy step and you will be finished in just a few seconds. Plug the timer into a power supply. Because there was an old timer in its place, you can likely use that same source. Put the power and water that run to your sprinkler system back on, and set the timer to go off in just a few minutes. That way you can wait and make sure that the timer is operating your sprinkler system properly. If the timer sets your sprinkler off when expected, then your job is complete. Set your timer to its regular schedule.